Yeah, the last two. Let's see the last two theory questions on this 1, 2, 3 that we were doing. This is beautiful, right? Theory question. We love you, my friend. We love you. We're not going to lose marks. Now let's see this one. Was charge created in either the balloon or the wall in order for the sticking to occur? And the question says why. So number one, there is no way you can ever have charge being created. Okay, human beings cannot create charge no matter what you do. Okay, of course, so we can say charge is neither created nor destroyed. We know that only God can. So here, what should you say? The first thing, no new charge. That's the first thing. No new charge was created. No new charge was created in either of the two things. So no new charge was created. So no new charge was created in either of the two things. So either the balloon or the wall. Either the balloon or the wall. Okay? You can just say existing charges were just redistributed. I don't know if I got the spelling correct. You can confirm the spelling of redistribute. Okay, now anyway, why? The next question is why. Why? This is because charge, according to the, you can say this is because, you can say according to the law of conservation, according to the law of conservation of charge, you can say charge can not be, so you can just say charge cannot be created or destroyed. Okay? Charge cannot be created or destroyed. So you can say here, it can only be transferred. Okay, it can only be transferred or redistributed. Redistributed. This is beautiful. Okay, it can only be transferred from one object to another or redistributed around an object. So now let's go to the last question, which says, is any charge transferred from the wall, from the balloon to the wall? And it says why. Is any charge transferred from the balloon to the wall? And the next question says why. Okay, so what you should know is no charge is transferred from the balloon to the wall. Okay, do you know why? It's because the only thing that happens is these are not conductors. Remember, these are actually not conductors. So we can't have charge being transferred from the balloon to the wall just by sticking. No. Okay, remember, when you charge by conduction, you must have something that can actually move, where electrons can actually move out, you know. But these are two insulators. So how would that happen? It can't happen. So what's going to happen? Is any charge transferred from the balloon to the wall? No. So you say no charge is transferred. Get the mark for that at least. Okay, if you don't know the reason why, just say no charge is transferred. No charge is transferred from the balloon to the wall. Okay, to the wall. Instead, you can say instead, it is just redistributed. I don't know if I'm getting this spelling correct. Redistributed within the wall. Okay, within the wall. So what just happens is you're going to bring your balloon, and this is what happens. Can you see that charge is just redistributed? Where was the transfer? Here. You see, the negative just moved away, then the positive just came here. That is what happens. But there is no redistribute. There's no charging. There's no transfer here. Okay? Okay? This is because both objects are insulators, so cannot the transfer charge from transfer charge out into or out of them. Or you can say, so cannot transfer charge by conduction. Because remember that these things are in contact. So that means it would have been conduction, but both of them are insulators, so it can't happen. Okay? All right, so cannot transfer charge by conduction. Then we say to you, well done, that has been amazing. Okay, now we actually see that there's a number 4, which is probably on insulating and charging. So, wow, there's a lot of questions on charging here and discharge. So let's just do the number 4, but we'll do it in the next video. Goodbye for now. You've done very well so far.